Welcome back, everybody. I have a nice easy episode for us today. We're going to do an AC delete on the GMC. So we're going to just delete the AC compressor. Basically this line's gone, so we'll just take this line off, unbolt it, and I'll show you the kit that I bought to get rid of it. The only reason I'm doing that is right now it's not kicking on and off, and there's really no sense in just having it there as a pulley. Diesel. Great name, huh? Anyways, there's the bolts, and let's see what we got here. I haven't opened this yet, so. Yeah, that should do it. Anyways, these bolts are extra. They're like $7 extra. What the heck? Alright, let's get to it. So first thing, I'm going to do the tensioner and get this belt loose. We're not going to take the whole thing off. I'm just going to drop it down so I can put it right back on. Oh my. Thing's a whole lot tighter than I thought. And I dropped it off everything anyways. Now I got to figure out how to put it back on. Okay, figured it out. Come off here and here. And I know this isn't the same as a regular pickup truck because, you know, this is all stripped down in a hot rod. But I'm going to do it the best I can and, you know, kind of explain what I'm doing. Usually, if you're going to crack the lines loose, go ahead and get it vacuumed down and you can get all the Freon out of it. And then that's it, basically. You got 4 bolts and you're off. Always 1 or 2. Nope, just 1. Bolt looks like it holds the harness down, which I may or may not put that back depending on how low the new bracket is. Take this guy and we're off. Here's the new bracket. It only holds 3 of the bolt holes. I have no idea why. I am going to put AC on this in the future, but for now we're just going to run the delete kit until I figure out what to do under the dash and everything. I'm going to just throw this pulley on, one-handed. Make sure everything is good. Make sure it's still good before yep, nice. Cool. Also, I was going to check and make sure that the pulley size was the same. I think this might be a tad smaller, but that thing has loads of tension on it, so it should be fine. Well, it still has a pretty good amount of tension on it. Not as much as before, but let's start her up and we'll see if it squeals or not. If it's too small, then we'll have to go ahead and change it up. It only has one job and it seems to do it well. So yeah, I recommend if you're running a hot rod or you know you just want to get rid of your AC for who knows what reason. I mean, I wouldn't normally, but until I figure out what I'm doing, this is the best option. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.